The power of clear instructions in asynchronous learning. Welcome. In this video, we will explore why giving clear instructions is essential in an asynchronous learning environment. Unlike traditional classrooms, asynchronous learning does not happen in real time. Students work through materials at their own pace, in different places, and often without immediate support from their instructor. This makes clarity in instructions critical. When directions are vague, students may feel frustrated, waste valuable time, or even disengage from the course. Here are some characteristics of clear instructions. 1. They are specific. The instructions clearly state what the task is, when it should be completed, and how to do it. Note that the completion date may not always be necessary, as activities, for example, usually have a date. 2. They are sequential. The steps are presented in a logical order. 3. They are concise. The language used is simple and clear. 4. Instructions are complete. They include all necessary details. 5. They are correctly formatted. Bullets are used when necessary. There is consistent and appropriate line and word spacing, and, for longer instructions, there are appropriate visuals for readability. 6. The instructions are appropriate. They match the user's skill and knowledge level. These are just some of the main characteristics of clear instructions. Keep in mind that these characteristics may not apply to all types of instructions on your page. For example, the instructions for an announcements forum may not include steps, therefore, the instructions cannot be sequential. Now, let us have a look at some of the benefits of clear instructions. Clear instructions help in 3 important ways. 1. Guidance. They show students exactly what needs to be done and how to do it. 2. Confidence. Students feel more secure when expectations are transparent. 3. Consistency. Everyone receives the same directions, ensuring fairness and equal opportunity to succeed. Think of instructions as a roadmap. The more detailed and easy to follow they are, the smoother the journey for your learners. So remember, when teaching asynchronously, your words replace your physical presence. Make them clear, structured, and supportive, so your students can thrive.